And if you can see right there, it's a lighter blue. That's PLA. And Bamboo has a feature, and I think Prusa has this feature as well, where you can use PLA as a top couple layers of your support, and it's supposed to leave this smoother. And it's supposed to break away easier because, oh, look at that. That just popped right off there. And let's see if we can get you to see that. But that is perfectly smooth. Or, well, not perfect, but it's a lot better than the stuff I've dealt with in the past. Now, to make this work, this is PETG. And PETG and PLA don't stick together, but they stick enough that they work as support. Let me show you here. So if you look here, you can see the lighter blue here. Now, what I'm using is two different blue filaments. I'm using this dark blue PETG here, and this is PLA, this lighter blue. Okay, and it lists it up here as the two different filaments I'm using, spool 4 and spool 8. And it's just right there. And how you do it is you go into your support settings, you go down here to filament for supports. Now you got base, and then you have the interface, just where it's going to be touching the part. And then you can go down here, and what you want to do is you want to set your Z to 0 if it's not already. And then you go down here to interface, top interface layers. And I use 2, you can use 3, you can use 1. But that's how much of this is going to be at the top of that support. Now, if my little print wouldn't have failed, it would have done this in here as well. And you see there's light blue at the bottom, and there's light blue at the top of the supports. You can also go here to default and go, I want the whole support to be this color. Okay, and you gotta reslice it, and I'm gonna pause for that because it takes a bit on this job. And there you go. It changes it to the whole thing. Now this, look at the cycle time here. 1 day, 16 hours, 15 minutes. Now let me switch it back and show you. Now if I only do the interface area, 12 and a half hours, and I'm done. The reason for the time difference is I'm not swapping colors for every single layer going up. So I'm only swapping colors where my supports are touching the part. But PLA is a great support material for PETG. I wish I had feel-o-vision so you could feel that, how much better that is. It's outstanding.